Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Claude 3.7 Sonnet versus Code. We will explore how Claude 3.7 Sonnet, a powerful artificial intelligence model, approaches problem solving compared to the precision and control offered by writing code directly. Our discussion will highlight their unique advantages and ideal applications, helping you understand when to leverage each for optimal results. We'll cover key aspects like task automation, complex reasoning, and development flexibility, providing a clear overview of their respective roles in modern workflows. Claude 3.7 Sonnet shines in tasks requiring deep comprehension and rapid content generation. It can process a context window of up to 200,000 tokens, allowing it to analyze extensive documents or complex codebases efficiently. This model processes requests about 30% faster than its predecessor, quickly drafting reports and summarizing research. Its software engineering accuracy reaches over 62%, making it incredibly versatile for various analytical and creative challenges. Writing code directly provides developers with absolute control over application logic and performance. This method allows for granular optimization, ensuring systems meet exact specifications and run with maximum efficiency. Debugging tools enable precise error identification, leading to robust and reliable software. Furthermore, the vast ecosystem of open-source libraries and frameworks offers limitless customization and integration possibilities, making traditional coding indispensable for highly specialized or performance-critical applications. The most effective approach often involves combining the strengths of both Claude 3.7 Sonnet and direct coding. Use the AI for rapid prototyping, generating initial code snippets, or exploring diverse solutions to complex problems. This can boost productivity by up to 40%. Then, leverage your coding skills to refine, optimize, and integrate these AI-generated components into your existing projects with precision. This synergistic workflow can significantly accelerate development cycles, fostering greater innovation across various domains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.